Make some tacos with me as I'm trying to understand why my world is on fire. So it's undeniable that so many good things has happened to me. And while you don't know me yet, don't worry. We will get to know each other more as time progresses. So my world has been on fire, and yet I fail to stop to ask myself, why is my world on fire? Or how did I even get here? I guess because I was too busy trying to live, trying to survive my day to day life. It would have been a good start for me to know. So that way, maybe I can circumvent a lot of negative emotions that I've been having. So I can figure out what causes my world to be on fire. Is it that my individual life is affected by whatever happens within this world to cause it to be on fire? As of recently, a series of unfortunate events that I did not believe should belong to me, and also a series of events created by me in belief that my actions will change the trajectory of my current situation, have seemed to just not been working out right. And I can't understand what is going on. So to me, this means my world is on fire. And it has been for quite some time now. But I was just too busy to comprehend the events and their impacts. The fact that I was living alone and didn't have any believed friends made things worse. I couldn't sit with my feelings. And this has brought me to the conclusion of how much I have depended on others' opinions and comments on my life. Well, today I take back my power in not allowing so many have the power over me through their opinions and their words, because I only have one life to live. And if I live it based on other people's opinions, then am I really living my life? Is that the reason why my world is on fire? Yes, I will have to agree with that. When you don't follow your natural intuition, you will find yourself in a place that was not meant for you. Hence the reason why my world has been on fire. I have placed too much value on what other people think and what they believe is for me in my life. And that is the key word, my life, not your life, not their life. So today I choose to take back my power, believe in myself, and heal the little girl within. This is a page from my diary. I only welcome people that are here to share ideas on personal growth, health, and improving the quality of our lives. I hope you enjoyed this journey that I'm going on as much as I do. Sometimes I might not even like the journey, to be honest, but I hope to see you there, and I hope you walk along with me.